Let's move on to Bitcoin. Bitcoin, the Bitcoin revolution. Imagine putting real money into a system that's completely digital, decentralized, and where we don't even know who created it. Sounds futuristic, right? But it's happening now, and people are making incredible profits from it. Did you know that two high school siblings from Texas, aged 16 and 14, made $30,000 in a single month by mining Bitcoin using just a laptop? Yes, you heard that right, $30,000. And if that sounds impressive, let me tell you about three college friends from California who built their own mining rig and now earn over $50,000 every month through crypto mining. Mind-blowing, isn't it? So, what is crypto mining? Let's break it down to the basics. The term crypto mining can be split into two parts: crypto, which refers to cryptocurrencies, digital currencies like Bitcoin, and mining, which means extracting or uncovering something valuable. But instead of digging into the earth for gold or other minerals, crypto mining happens in the virtual world. It's about verifying digital currency transactions and adding them to the blockchain, a decentralized ledger. Here's why this is revolutionary. In traditional banking, when you make a transaction, say transferring money, the bank records the data on its server, verifies the transaction, and either approves or rejects it. But this centralized system has a major flaw. If a hacker gains access to the bank's server, they can tamper with the data. Cryptocurrencies solve this problem by decentralizing the entire process using blockchain technology. Now, crypto mining is the process where your laptop PC or mining rig verifies these transactions and adds new blocks to the blockchain. In return for this work, miners are rewarded with cryptocurrency. This process is called proof of work. So how do you get started? While it's technically possible to mine cryptocurrencies using just your laptop, it's not the most efficient way. Let's talk about mining rigs. A rig is essentially a setup of multiple computers or GPUs, graphics processing units, working together to solve complex algorithms and verify transactions. These algorithms are so tough that GPUs, not regular CPUs, are the best tools for the job. That's why miners build big rigs with multiple GPUs to increase computational power and earn more rewards. If you're not ready to invest heavily in a mining rig, there's another option: cloud mining. In this method, companies with large mining setups in countries where electricity is cheaper rent out their rigs to users like you. All you need to do is create an account on their platform, pay a rental fee, and let their rigs mine cryptocurrency for you. It's hassle-free and requires no maintenance on your part. However, the profits from cloud mining are often lower than setting up your own rig. Now here's a question many of you might have: is Bitcoin mining legal in the United States? The answer is yes. As of now, Bitcoin mining is entirely legal in the US, but keep in mind that you'll need to report your earnings and pay taxes on them. The IRS considers cryptocurrency as property, so profits from mining are taxable. Finally, let's talk about the future of mining. The current method, proof of work, has its downsides, such as high energy consumption and inefficiency. But a newer method called proof of stake is gaining popularity. In this system, instead of multiple rigs competing to solve the same algorithm, only one rig is assigned to validate a transaction. This reduces energy consumption and makes the process faster and more efficient. Many cryptocurrencies, including Ethereum, are transitioning to this method, and it might just become the standard for crypto mining in the future. So, there you have it. Everything you need to know about Bitcoin mining. Whether you're using a laptop, building a mining rig, or exploring cloud mining, the opportunities are endless. If you think Bitcoin mining could be a great way to generate passive income, why not give it a shot? Got questions? Drop them in the comments section below. And if you learned something new from this video, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. See you next time, and as always, stay curious, keep learning, and keep growing.